Kia ora. What a stunning morning here at Shakespear Regional Park. Yay! Vehicles packed and we're on the road finally. First stop, and it's a pit stop for fuel. The beast's got to be fueled. Saved about $8 using fuel card though. Human pit stop this time. Got to have provisions for the next 3 days. And here we are, Shakespear Regional Park. It's a really nice place and we're just going to park up and enjoy ourselves at this beautiful spot. Time to put the billy on. Catch you in the next one. Ka kite.